Teha Sarkodie mpo yere asomajono na wo Kuami Eugene asemo social media for any Kuami Eugene de enya ade a omegia ne sense Kuami Eugene akoka say every girl wants to have a piece of him. Na eba ne sen from SammyKay me twantia from SammyKay umokruma mentwem temu SammyKay Media meje you said go online. Now I mean ekoso you can over to me share adwen e comment section for so betimi I like it. Na for so wa subscribe se na be ya notification button so we hit it a your update the bia na YouTube catch you say yes more the new content about ko na kohwe na enjoy to say senior o hwe no eti me sha ase dia Kuami Eugene was interviewed by Sika say and say maybe feeling power very good actress and ma hwe the movie so many times Ghana I say put this girl on the map now or have you show be or Links TV and I say links for a TV station now TV station you know na ya to show ni din say stripped say best strip na answer na obekọ no be ma was swear with the Bible ni ade ade o Muslim so Quran na was swear ni ade ade na eno na say Kuami Eugene go pay wo show no so na Kuami Eugene yoni ya sisi ya no minim say da so ya for picture wo mo go fa we free Kuami Eugene ni o na o timu say we fadama boy time no yes na that time na inki she den nim I mean say that time na guess na da so epe so omo we na bia as a piece of the cake no bia person have bia ko the next picture now the ba first one yeah difference na otimu say yes sika eye moja ampa moja aba no ho ama na aba no ho ama sisi Kuami Eugene say everybody wants to have a piece of him manfo buafu say aden na Sarkodie mo nye den Davido mo nye den because I mean o hwe Sarkodie enim no ntansere na so dey ayehu say Sarkodie oteme sere pa the picture started say epie say oware Tracy yes ni wedding day anu amanfo kraka say na Sarkodie Tracy na eware na no oware Tracy because I say nenya agiama na otimu say bema neni agi oba baako ho afo se ono na obetimi di na bo brand ne nsa kan oba na waware no enu ntina na saa dey no timi hu ye na ye ntan hu yes we ye time o change ni ade na we wedding day no Sarkodie sere before then na me hu se Sarkodie wasere seda ani wo sere enu na se nche na Davido nso ware chioma na so mo nyina musicians na manfo say no na me ba bo video bi ana say Kuami Eugene ana che say Sika say interview now or can asem say everybody now your ba now also wo person dating you have to sacrifice now sacrifice say so open say other girls have to have him because I mean you can't enjoy him alone na no na manfo ebuefu say what is Kuami Eugene trying to tell us say wo ade wo chen Sarkodie ana wo chen Davido ana wo chen wan musicians o me top no oma ware na ana Jay-Z wo chen Jay-Z ana Jay-Z on ware so ware Beyonce Jay-Z on ware wa ware Jay-Z yes wa ware it is a Jay-Z kra ware Sarkodie ware Davido ware na wo Kuami Eugene rockstar fadama rockstar sesi ehwe fadama time sesi inkaba ho nti sesi no wo se o mpene ma baba ko and one thing I have to say before even me video no say one say wo be ma no unim dia opa na unim dia opa na everybody can have piece of you because bema omunya popular cry na omu wo sika no every female wants to have them now onya popular kakra ka ho anu dia bobo it is worse for every guy but if you know what you want and you know so him say e ma kokko na ope say interview no kan na Rebecca Munemu na Korea kakra ye hu so oni oba tuntum kra nam da enti be sure so unim dia ope ana say bia o hwa body no but e bia ba no what it takes to be a woman na e bia hu say wa onya wa adwe so be ware enti wa adwe nko ho but I think for me if wo be ma unim say we na opa unya anu allow because if somebody will have a piece of you I want to be penny mma mo gu hi wo ko pom na o me so obom penny a o be den wo be den wo betimi aye den So if you say because of that, that is why you are single, and me I sure say, hey, you are single, but if you want to knock, you dey knock. If you want to enjoy, and we will say you are feeling honey, so you want to enjoy. Me I sure so will be our boyfriend. Yes, I don't say an adjust say okay, because of that. What will you do? No. So you, the man, should know what you want, and after that, nobody can have. If you don't want anybody to have a piece of you, nobody can have a piece of you. Yes, I know. Say for showbiz reasons, sometimes to make us say I'm single. So now the cool with him. Say ne ya. Man, no more do onyom no. Omo can say you can't mingle with them in inti. Omo ti onyom. But chale, Sarkodie mu, Jay-Z mu, Davido mu actually say no, it is possible. It is possible. So, answer the web video, make out say yellow card. What made send a sika from Ghana across to 14 countries, and I say a free internet, so download the app. No say I also made the top Bitcoin. Mami go to so find a me free abrochi and yamano papa from abrochi straight out to Ghana. And see, cohort na catch say SammyKay so bro by your fan. I feel so always posh will make you posh by glowing your skin, glowing your hairstyle baby or me mouth. Until call her catch say SammyKay so bro. I feel so end point of a clinic will make sure say particularly you are strong. Until call na kwaje wire so come scan there how be no mama ndra say enti Kuami Eugene has spoken, and let's see, let me feel your comments down below.
Are you dating? You tell me.
I'm not dating. Let me tell you why. Because like right now as I did right now, I know dating me will be very difficult.
Why is dating Kuami difficult?
You should have a tough skin to date me. It should
okay.
You should I know, currently where women and girls, everyone, even men, including men, everybody want to have one person to themselves. Yeah.
You like to share.
I don't want to share.
You like to spread the love.
I don't want to spread the love. Calm down for me. Calm down. So what I'm trying to say is, if you want to have me to yourself,
yes,
it's gonna take some sacrifices because people won't just allow you to. They won't give you that freedom to have Kuami all for yourself. You get a lot of hatred yourself.
Like the fans.
The fans. People are gonna hurt you so bad. Like they're gonna come at you. You have a lot of people. That's where you actually meet gossips. You have people backbite. You hear people say a lot of bad things about me to you just for you to lose me. Yeah. That's why I'm saying you need to develop a tough skin to be able to have some space in my life.
And most women don't have that tough skin.
Yeah, they want me to for all themselves, and it's gonna take a while. I have to be that. I have to not be that public Kuami Eugene where everybody wanna have a piece of. For you to have me for just yourself.
Yes.
But right now, dear, everybody want a piece of me, and it's not like I'm out there trying to give everybody a piece of me. But that it is what it is.
It is what it is. Take it or leave it.
Some people love me because they know say Kuami no get girl now. The very moment I told them that I have a girlfriend and I really, really have a girlfriend, now you're expecting me to flaunt you and I'm not flaunting you, then it hurts you sometimes.
Yes.
Then you see me with this person,
yes.
You see me with this person, I'm hanging out with this person, it hurts so much. I don't want to put you through that pain. So all I will say is for now, that's the reason why I'm not dating.
You heard it yourself. Let me feel your comment down below. Like it and then subscribe and then hit the notification button and say there. Every time we update content, you can get it. This is how to support the brand, and then we also keep you going. Eti Kuami Eugene achie na adwen menim so ne ya adwen a woso obimiti na maka no betime achie wa adwen. Ena me dis ye frame SammyKay, shout out to my crew, Mills, Amanda, Sexy Malam. Frame SammyKay to me twantia frame SammyKay mu ko ma mentwem. Ti SammyKay Media meju so then go online.
Go check my stuff so online.